something truly special about being able to fight in the World Tournament. It's such an honor.
You looking for something? Thanks a bunch!
Gotta make sure I go unnoticed at the tournament. That means I can't go Super Saiyan either. Better make sure Vegeta's in the loop as well. Let's see. I'm not forgetting anything, am I? Yeah, I should be good to go. Okay, where is everyone? Oh, there they are.
Hey, Gohan! Took your sweet time, didn't you?
Sorry about that. Man, this place sure is packed, huh?
Yeah, no kidding. Pretty annoying, huh?
It's Mr. Satan! Look! Mr. Satan's here!
Mr. Satan, huh? Looks like Earth's heroes has shown up at last.
Hello to all my adoring fans around the world! Are you ready?
Mr. Satan! Mr. Satan! Mr. Satan!
He sure is popular, huh?
It's Mr. Piccolo!
Piccolo, have you seen my dad anywhere?
No sign of him yet. Gohan, I have to ask, are you really going to wear that?
What could be taking Goku so long? Maybe he's already in the waiting room.
Hey, guys!
The evil wizard Babidi's machin...
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your...
We'll catch up with you later. See ya!
Hey, Goten, wanna do some exploring around this place? Yeah, that sounds like fun! Let's go! All right, let's go check out what's going on over there. Wait for me, Trump! Look at all this stuff! This is cool! Hey, Goten, check it out! Look at all the places we can buy stuff! Yeah! We should buy our mom some. Good idea. Let's check out what they've got here and then figure out what to get them. Yeah, let's go! Whoa, what's that? Hey, wait up! Man, I wish we could fight everyone too. Yeah, but we wouldn't be able to beat my brother or Vegeta. But I bet we'll totally be able to beat them when we're older. Let's check that out over there. Uh-oh, I think our moms might be looking for us. They're not gonna let us buy anything if they're angry at us. I know. We'll say you got lost and that I was looking for you. Yeah, that should work. What? I'm the one that got lost. That's how it's gotta be. It'll be more believable for me to look for you since I'm older. All right, peace. Hey, that's not fair, Trunks. There you are, Goten! I found you! Yeah, sorry. I got separated.
Oh, really? Don't you mean you were both wandering around?
What? How'd you know?
Goten, you just gave us away!
That's what I thought, Goten. It's rude to lie to people.
That's right, Trunks. You're older and you should know better than this.
We're sorry.
All right, that's enough of that. Let's head to the arena.
Right. If we don't hurry, there won't be any seats left. You ready, Goten?
Yeah, I'm ready.
all these people? Attention, all World Tournament participants! We will soon begin the selection process. It looks like this is the biggest turnout we've had in years. But only the best 16 of you will have a chance to compete. Since the returning champion, Mr. Satan, will automatically be allowed to compete, that means only 15 of you will be advancing. Let's find out who that'll be. To keep things fair, we'll be testing everyone's strength with this punching machine. Those with the 15 highest scores will be selected to fight in the tournament.
Punching machine? What the heck is that?
Let's see if any of you have what it takes to beat our champion, Mr. Satan's high score. We're expecting some great scores. Now, let's begin the World Tournament Selection Round.
Good thing we did all that training and made it through, huh?
Not like there was any worry there. Hmm?
Greetings. You must be Goku.
Huh? How do you know who I am?
I've heard of you before. May I shake your hand?
Sure. Nice to meet you.
Just as I'd heard, you have a good spirit.
Huh?
Now, if you'll excuse me.
What? Who the hell was that?
I'm not sure, but, you know, I'm starting to get the feeling that this tournament's not going to be a walk in the park after all. Everybody here looks like a pushover except those two. What's with those guys? They look kind of weird. Like they're more powerful than they should be.
So the World Tournament was finally underway. Most of the Z warriors were spread out across the matches. However, Goku and Vegeta were fatefully paired against each other for the 6th match of the first round. Krillin set the tone for the tournament by making short work of his opponent in the first match. In the second match, Piccolo found himself standing before the enigmatic Shin. However...
What is this? What is going on? Why am I having such a hard time with this guy? This isn't right. Who the hell is he?
You'll find that out soon enough. Let's just enjoy the game for now.
Count me out. I forfeit.
Huh?
You forfeit? You're not going to fight anymore?
That's right.
I see. So he's the former guardian of this planet. Perhaps he's realized who I am then.
Well, let's keep things rolling. Time for our third match. Next, it's Videl versus Spopovich.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but, you're not,
Not what exactly?
You're not the Grand Kai, are you?
No, I am not.
He's the Supreme Kai. The Supreme Kai?
Please keep that to yourself for now. I don't want others to know just yet.
So, you're even higher than the Grand Kai, who's above the 4 Kais. I mean, I'd heard about gods above the Kais before, but I didn't know they actually existed.
Hey, Piccolo. Something wrong? Don't tell me that guy's already talking trash. You want me to have a word with him?
No, don't! No, keep your mouth shut. Do not say anything, you hear me?
Huh?
Meanwhile, Videl was trading blows with the muscle-bound Spopovich in the third match. Though Videl was a much more capable fighter, she was quickly overpowered by Spopovich's abnormal strength.
I can't quite put my finger on it, but there's something seriously off about that guy. Like he's not using his own power.
That monster! You gave it your best! Tap out! Just throw in the towel, Videl!
No. Wait. I'm not giving up.
That's it. I've had enough. That jerk's going down.
Hey, now! Okay, come on, take it easy, Gohan! No!
That's enough, Spopovich. You've had your fun. We came here for something far more important than this. Hurry up and win the match. Yeah, okay.
Ring out! Spopovich wins the match!
Videl! Spopovich! You're not gonna get away with this. You hear me?
Should I call for a stretcher?
No, I'll carry her myself.
Beat that guy's head in for me.
You got it. If I win my next match, I'll be up against him in the fight after that.
Gohan, I've got some senzu beans.
Thank goodness. Videl, you're gonna have to trust me on this. But could you eat this bean?
Anything from you. Probably has some mysterious power behind it, right?
Yeah. You should be fine now. But it'd be best for you to take it easy for a while here.
Thank you, Gohan.
Gotta go. Everyone's waiting.
I'm all better! Good luck out there, Gohan!
Gohan found himself facing the mysterious Kibito in the fourth match.
Transform into that Super Saiyan form of yours. I want to see if you truly have what it takes to help our cause.
Huh? How do you know about Super Saiyans? And what do you mean, help our cause?
You will find out soon enough. First, I want to see the power of a Super Saiyan.
Are you kidding? I can't just transform into a Super Saiyan in front of everyone.
I can't hear what they're talking about.
He told Gohan to transform into a Super Saiyan.
Gohan!
Piccolo.
What's up, Piccolo? You know what's going on?
I'm not sure, but...
Our apologies, but Gohan will be assisting us with something for the time being. All of you must promise that you will not get involved, no matter what happens. I trust I can count on you.
What?
What do you mean?
You honestly think we're just going to do whatever you say? Tell us who you are.
He's, the Supreme Kai. He rules over all the Kais. He's a god.
Oh yeah, that's right. King Kai told me about you. So you're the Supreme Kai. Huh.
All right, I'll transform into a Super Saiyan. Not sure why you'd want me to, though. Why don't I take it one step further and transform into something beyond a Super Saiyan? Take it to the next level.
What? Beyond the Super Saiyan? This energy's incredible. That's our guy.
He transformed! Gohan transformed! You've got to be kidding me!
We're taking that energy. Make sure he doesn't try to escape, Spopovich. Right!
There!
Who are you?
That's it! We've got enough energy now. Let's do it!
Wait! Don't move! Not yet! He'll be fine. Kibito will restore his strength shortly. I intend to follow those two and learn where they're taking Gohan's energy. If you wish to join me, you are more than welcome to do so. I could use your help.
So, what are you gonna do, Goku?
I'm gonna go with him. You heard him, didn't you, Krillin? He could really use our help in this. Besides, I have to know what this is all about.
Then I guess I'll go too.
I don't think so, Kakarot. Did you forget about your match with me?
Come on! This isn't the time for that, okay, Vegeta?
Don't blow me off! The actions of that supreme whatever aren't my concern in the slightest. All I care about is settling the score with you once and for all. That's the whole reason I joined this stupid tournament in the first place.
I hear ya, I hear ya. It doesn't have to be here, but we'll fight later. I promise, all right?
Idiot. You're only back from Otherworld for one day, remember?
Hey, you should come to Otherworld with me. We can fight there.
Let's go.
Tell me, can I really trust you with Gohan?
He'll be fine. After I finish healing him, I will be joining you. I'm sure he'll follow soon thereafter. Damn it.